Hello everybody, my name is Josh from Fuji Spray, and today we're going to go through calibrating the check filter light. Typically this happens when you just freshly replaced your intake motor filter and this light comes off as soon as you turn the machine on. Make sure that when you are about to calibrate the system that the filter is brand new. And in order to calibrate the check light filter, what you'll need to do is head over to the panel at the front and press 3 and 4 simultaneously at the same time, and the machine will automatically turn on. And it's going to go from one stage to the other until it reaches the 6th stage on its own and automatically will shut off. And that will conclude the calibration of the check filter light. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line at support@fujispray.com or call us at 1-800-650-0930. Thank you very much for watching.